Hi friends, I hope you all are safe from coronavirus scare. These days, due to COVID-19 threat, most of us are working from home while maintaining social distance whenever we go to market to buy essentials. But it pains to learn that warriors of coronavirus like health professionals, doctors, nurses, police officials, Safai Karamcharis are working at highest risk. We all are aware that despite use of masks, PPEs, gloves, more and more of such COVID warriors are being infected and placed under quarantine. This brings to a logical question. How can the risk be minimized for these professionals who have to go out while working from home is norm for most of us? Can robots help? Of course. We know that robots who are dispensing sanitizers to visitors in banks, checking temperature while entering in offices, helping health professionals in disinfecting the hospitals. Robots are also widely used in manning the traffic, supporting critical medical operations. I was wondering, can they be used in maintaining law and order? Of course. Robots can help in sanitizing the hospital, marketplace, road, vehicle, houses, etc., everything. Robots can disperse exact amount of solution and they can scan with their X-ray eyes whether the whole area has been fully sanitized. This kind of thing is impossible from a human eye angle. Guys, another robot that came to my mind is drone. I'm sure you might be knowing that drone is a flying robot. These drones can be used to deliver goods to people stuck up in COVID-19 affected areas. These drones can help aged people by delivering them their medicines and other essential and non-essential items. As you might be aware that few days back, there was threat of infection being spread to many of the South Delhi residents because of one pizza delivery boy who was COVID-19 positive. If a drone is supplying pizza in a sanitized compartment, this kind of threat is eliminated. Drones can ensure that not only essential but semi-essential and non-essential items are also supplied to households. Friends, this will help to decongest the shopping areas where maintaining social distance is difficult. Now, considering the current scenario of lockdown where factories are shut, markets are closed, economic activities have almost come to standstill, it is essential that we see how can robots help in maintaining our regular life. I feel that in the coming time, robots will be much more capable, they'll be more flexible, they can walk, swim and fly. Robots of future will be more capable of understanding human emotions in terms of voice patterns or tone. They'll be able to read human facial expression also. Based upon your mood, the drone can play music. They can suggest the person to talk to an old school friend, and who knows, they themselves can start a conversation with you. Robots armed with AI, artificial intelligence, can work in factories. They can do accounting entries, report the results, and ensuring that economic activities continue. Now, this all about so risky, so rosy. But is it not scary also? What will happen to my job? And such millions and millions of jobs. Guys, I'm sure similar kind of worry was there when horses and horse carts were replaced by cars and jeeps about 100, years ago. Anyhow, that's not topic for today. That topic we'll discuss in my next videos. But the question is not if robots will come. The question is, when robots come, will I be ready? The question, prepare now for future friends. And trust me, if you're ready, it's going to be very interesting.